Y'all busting it open for cookouts? That's what y'all telling me? Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So this starts my birthday prep vlog. I look a mess, y'all. I have a lot to do. I have to do my hair, get my face under control, like as you guys see or have been seeing. My eyes look a hot mess. I have not been sleeping and I just don't know why. So my eyes are like showing it. So we'll get into that. I have to get a wax. I'm doing everything myself. Well, except for the wax. I'm not doing the wax myself. No. But I have to get a wax. I'm doing my nails myself. I'm doing my hair myself. And yeah, what's funny is I actually have no plans. So I'm just living in the moment, but I just like to get cute and just take videos and pictures. So that's really what I'm doing. I know, it's sad, right? Like I literally hyped up my birthday for what? Just to get cute, I guess. But if that does change, I will definitely have a birthday vlog after this. But yeah, so get ready with me to do absolutely nothing. But I'm gonna get cute though. Right now, I'm not cute right now. I'm about to go get a wax. I'm about to go get a wax. I love waxes, y'all. I love waxes. They feel good. Like, and just to, yeah, you know. I also need to shave, so I have to shave, nails, hair, wax. About my freaking hair. So my hair's been here, right? But I lost the key to my mailbox. So I literally have like packages of hair. Some I need to review and some that I just like need in my mailbox. So I'm praying that I get the key from the leasing office before they close today. Because if not, I'm gonna cry. Because like I'm already not doing anything for my birthday. And the least I can do, or the least I can have, is my hair. So we will see. We will see. But I'm about to get going. If I do get my hair, you guys will see on the way. But yeah, we're about to go get a wax and I'll be back. Okay, so change of plans, change of clothes, change of everything. They do not have my mailbox key. So I'm trying not to cry for real. And it's about to rain, so that's why I changed my clothes. But yeah, so now I'm about to just go get a wax and we'll see. I'm so sad, y'all. But okay, I'll be back. Yeah, fuck my birthday at this point. Couldn't get my wig. Don't know if I'm getting it. This is my fault. This one right here can't get a wax because they're full. And I didn't set an appointment, but that's because this was really spontaneous. Like, I really was just like, F it, I'm gonna get a wax today. So yeah, I'm not gonna cry because I wasn't looking forward to my birthday anyways. Like, I really kind of hate my birthday now, but I still wanted to get cute. Like, fuck. So I really don't know what's about to be in this video. Probably just a self-care type thing because I do need to wash my hair. I still need to shave and do all that type of stuff. Hell, I'm about to buy some wax and fucking wax myself at this point. Yeah, I'm sad. I'm sad as fuck. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay, I'm back to rant because I'm just really confused. Like, who's really busting it open for Memorial Day weekend? Like for the cookouts. And I mean, I know that's not the only reason why people get waxes. I mean, I'm literally getting a wax because I upkeep, like for upkeep purposes. But like, come on now. Y'all busting it open for cookouts? That's what y'all telling me? That y'all gotta be freaking primed and primed down there for a fucking cookout and I can't be free down there for my birthday? I just wanted some air down there. So yeah, I'm sad. I'm sad as fuck. But even with me being sad, it's cool because like I wasn't really planning on doing much for my birthday anyways. Like, I mean, I wasn't planning to do nothing really but get cute. So I mean, that's the problem. Like all like the stuff that I actually wanted to do for my birthday is being like taken away from me, like bit by bit. And it's just messed up. Like, it's messed up. My face looks a hot mess. It's like it's breaking out. My face is breaking out. My eyes look tired. I look stressed. And I'm not even stressed. I'm actually really happy. Not convincing, I know. But yeah, so. And I have to go potty. Yeah, so. I'ma just chill. I'll see you guys later. Okay, I'm back. Little update. It's been like 2 days since I filmed the disaster of everything messing up. So now I'm about to actually film my shower vlog. Well, my self-care get ready with me. Not get ready with me. My self-care shower routine. That's what I tried to say. Okay, yeah. And then I'm washing my hair, doing my hair. Wig, fine. I got my wig. The mailbox, yeah. They just broke it and gave my stuff. So I guess I'm excited. Everything's late. It's like literally Saturday. My birthday's Monday. So yeah, I started filming this video on Thursday. So you can see how frustrated I am. But whatever. It's a new day. I'm happy. I got everything I need. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be back after I get out the shower to update you guys on what I'm about to do. And yeah, see you later. So I just finished my shower self-care routine. I need to figure out the name. But yeah, so I just finished it. Glowing. Yes, lips glossy. Well, they're not necessarily. They're moisturized. But yeah, so now, oh my GG. Y'all about to see me tackle my hair. Because I need to put my wig on, so I'm about to moisturize and braid this down. And do I want to braid with you guys? If you see the braids, you know. And if you see the aftermath of the braids, you know I didn't. So yeah, see you guys in a second. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, because y'all, this day has been hectic. Like, I've been doing a lot. Like, I'm exhausted. But I'm okay with doing that, and I'm okay with doing a lot because I really love what I do, and I love being on YouTube. Like, it makes me so happy. But in order for me to stay on YouTube, you guys have to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, so make sure you do that. But okay, let's go. Y'all know I'm just trying to get this over with, because when was the last time I filmed my hair in the bathroom? I don't even know why I'm trying to get a clean part. I really don't care. I really don't care. Let me just separate everything, moisturize it. Y'all know the drill. If y'all watch my hair tutorials, y'all know hair tutorials. Y'all know the drill of what's about to go down. But I do like to make it a middle part though. It don't even look like a middle part. I do like to make it somewhat of a middle part because what's it called? I think I'm wearing the middle part. But even if I'm not, like, I still want the middle part to be like silky, sleeky. But okay, let's get into this hair. Okay, so this is how it came. I'm gonna show you how I apply it. I'm actually about to wash this because it stinks. And I just like to wash my wigs anyways. But yeah, I think I got a 12-inch. I really suck, y'all. I don't know what I did or what I got, but it's colored. Okay, I'll be back.
Okay, now for my nails, y'all. I mean, I knew that they had like fake toenails, but I didn't know they had fake toenails for real. Like, this was actually a shock for me. I really wanted French tip, but I didn't feel like putting in the work to do it. So I just cut all my nails down and got to work. But y'all, I actually liked them. I can say it kind of looked fake when it came to my pinky, because I don't really have pinky nails like that. Unless, well, on one of my toes, well, I can't even say I have the nail, but it just looks weird. And then not even that, my right toenail that you're looking at right now, the big one, y'all, it's shaped like a thumb, so like my nail looked like it was on backwards, but it's like no, like my toe is just on backwards. Like, yeah, I don't know. So I mean, yeah, it sounds really bad, but like it worked out. Like, look at this foot. This foot looks so good. Okay, both feet looked good at the end, but yeah. And I also applied cuticle oil after shaving them down to make sure that they after shaving them down to make sure that you couldn't see that little tab that you saw in the beginning when I applied it. I added cuticle oil and they look like they were my toes. So I love them. I still have them on right now. I'm looking at them as I edit because they look so cute. My little piggies. Look, you see that cute y'all see that cuticle oil? Like, it makes things look so natural. Like, look at that. Y'all can't say those don't look like my toes. They do. But okay, yeah, get y'all some cuticle oil if y'all using press-ons. It's a gem. I use it for my toes and my nails. Well, I never did this on my toes. It's my first time, but now I'm gonna use it for my toes and my nails, because why not? Fake toenails all summer, babies. Oh, I thought I was gonna wiggle them. Oh, I'm massaging them. Oh, you fancy, huh? Nails done, hair done. Well, my hair not done yet, but okay, yeah, wiggle. Girl, wiggle them. Bye.
Okay, y'all, I'm done with my hair. No lie, it's literally the date of my birthday. But I'm gonna put these nails on. Using my super glue. Can you see it? From Dollar Tree. It's like the best super glue ever. And I know super glue, like, why are you putting it on your nails? But it's for nails. Like, go look it up. But yeah, so the way I apply my nails, and y'all, this lasts for like up to 2 weeks. But yeah, so I apply it. No. Oh, I'm tripping. I apply it on the nail first. And then I apply it on my nail. I be applying a lot, y'all. Like, I'm so excessive with glue, it doesn't even make sense. And then I put it on there. But yeah, y'all, this lasts so long. It lasts longer than when I used to actually get my nails done, which I don't understand, because like how press-ons last longer, but whatever. And we're just gonna get into it. Yeah, I'm so late. Like, all of this is gonna be in my pre-birthday video. I don't care, but like, just know that today is, you know, the day it's my birthday. I said the day that, like, that, I mean. But yeah, I just did my hair. Make sure you guys go look at the, ooh, that was a lot of glue. Make sure you guys check out this tutorial. Of course, this video is gonna be put first, but don't forget to look at my tutorial. All the girls in the party, look at that body, shaking that thing like you never did see that. I have like a radio in my head. Yeah. Pinkies. But okay, I'm gonna just finish my nails and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. They're straight, I guess. Like, can you see it? They're straight. But in order to make them look natural, well, like, yeah, natural, I use my cuticle oil. I'm like, dang, how are this supposed to be dick grabbers and I can't even grip the, you know. But no, okay, so I use cuticle oil and I just put it on each nail, like on the bottom. Well, around my cuticle, duh. Just to make them look more natural. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I literally rushed this when I was picking them, because I was supposed to do my nails yesterday. It didn't work. I didn't even do my hair yesterday. Everything was supposed to happen yesterday, it didn't. But yeah, I was rushing when I picked because this nail is bigger than that nail. I don't like that. But I mean, I'm not gonna have it on that long anyways. So like, you know, who really cares, you know? I don't. Hold on, I'm trying to, come on, cuticles, pull through. This oil actually does feel really nice and soft. Okay, got one more finger. But y'all, have a confession. So I really don't like getting cute anymore, because I realized I look the same. I literally just changed my hair and put some eyelashes on. Okay, no, don't get me wrong. The eyelashes it does help. But like, I wish I knew how to do my makeup. Like, I should be able to step out, you know? I'm learning though. I'm learning. But yeah. This is it for my birthday, well, my pre-birthday vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. And stay tuned for today's video that I'm recording because I'm about to have some fun. I hope I am. I'm just gonna put it out there. I am gonna have some fun. But yeah, thank you guys and happy Memorial Day / Shawna's birthday.